So if you are working on a previous version of Dynamics CRM, for example, Dynamics CRM 2016, then you will not get this. You'll get all this option, you will have the command bar and everything, but you will not get this apps. So this apps concept is new. And also, if you are working on a real organization, you will not be able to see all these apps because your committee will not be using all this app. They may be using sales, but they may not be using field service, or they may be using operations also. So with all the apps you are using, you can get all that here, and you can customize this also. That will be different. And these are the option you have. Then you have the user details. So this is the user detail. You can edit the image if you want to. In the image here, you can edit that image. Click edit, where you can just upload one image under 5 MB. That image will appear here. Then you can, this is your organization ID, and then also you can sign out. This option wasn't there earlier. Now you have it. You can just sign out from the account and you can log in as a different user. That is pretty much about the navigation of the application. Now, if you have any question, please shoot.